And Mr. Jones is charged in cause number 25 DCCR 0523 with the offense of murder. And Mr. May. And in cause number 24 DCCR 2431 with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle. Mr. Wilkerson has filed a motion just in the murder case, correct? That I reduce the bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Which I believe is set at 800. If I remember.
Let me pull it up so we make sure. Let's see.
Let's quote because I have had several of these.
It looks like in the motion it shows the murder is set at $800,000. And Mr. Wilkerson, do you intend to call your client or other witness?
Your Honor, I just intend to call my client and then also Venetia Jones if she is still present.
Mr. Johns, best you can, raise your right hand. Or Jones, I'm sorry. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to?
We're diving headfirst into a courtroom charged with pure tension. A young defendant stands accused of murder, already buried under a pile of other criminal cases. But here's the twist. He swears it's all a misunderstanding. The atmosphere is electric, every word dripping with pressure. This isn't just a bond hearing. It's a battle for credibility, freedom, and truth. Stick around, because what unfolds next will shatter expectations and expose everything lurking beneath the surface.
Given this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. You can go ahead, Mr. Wilkerson.
Ms. Jones, you are obviously the same John Jones charged in this case with murder. You also have a companion case in which you are charged in a separate offense with unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been incarcerated?
About 34 months.
And during that time, has that time you had the murder charges pending during the entirety of that time? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, the person who actually pulled the trigger with regard to this offense has pled guilty and been sentenced. Is that correct?
Yes.
And that was to 30 years. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And he was on parole at that time, correct?
Yes, sir.
And until previously, at least as of the 24th of July, you have been off of 35, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, during the time that you have been incarcerated, you have had some run-ins with staff with regard to some behavioral issues. And obviously, if the court is going to consider lowering your bond and how you would be able to behave or would behave in the community at large, were she to grant a reduction in your bond, there are some concerns. And so I would like to give you the opportunity to speak to those concerns, and I would encourage you to emphasize conditions that the court might be able to impose that you would be ready and willing to follow that might curb some of those concerns for the court while this case remains pending.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
You say, while the write-up thing was going on and going around, I didn't have my proper medications, but I was supposed to be seeing a psych nurse to take my proper medications. And I feel like if he was to give me a bond reduction, and I was to get those recommendations, and I was to make bond, I'd follow the rules because I take my medications now, which are for my anxiety, depression, and things of those nature. So I feel like a bond reduction is necessary, but
So you have your medications now?
No, but I should have them